This is going to be the first of several tutorials showing us some of the basic skills that we're going to need in order to draw all of our mechanical drawings. So we're going to start off simple and talking about perpendicular versus parallel lines. On exercise 5-6, we're supposed to be making lines perpendicular to these existing lines. Okay, one thing I've noticed in my years teaching this that some students start out by getting perpendicular and parallel confused. Parallel is when two lines are running right next to each other like railroad tracks. They're the same distance, they're the same angle. Whereas perpendicular creates a 90-degree angle across another line or at its intersection. Okay, we practiced this a little bit on triangles and T-squares, but I'm going to be showing you a couple of different ways of doing it here with other tools. But we'll start out simple. We're going to start with drawing a perpendicular line using our two triangles. So the first trick is for us to set up a triangle that is right along the existing line, and then we place another triangle right up against it. Now, when we hold the second triangle still, we can pull this back. See how it slides? Okay. And now we can hold the first triangle still and create a 90-degree angle. Okay, see the 90 over the existing line, and draw our line. It doesn't really matter on this line where I'm going to draw it, so it's okay that you just kind of freestyle it there. So let's try that one again. Okay, maybe I'm going to go this direction, set up my triangle. Okay, I'm holding one still, the other I'm going to slide back, hold that down, create a 90-degree angle, and draw. Okay, so that's the first method of creating a perpendicular line. The second method involves using our compass. So what we're going to do, and you're just going to eyeball this, okay? You're going to set your compass so it's at least a little bit larger than half the length of the line. And you're going to stop in the very end point and give it a twirl. And these lines shouldn't be really dark. It should be light. Okay, and I'm going to not change the size of the compass. I'm just going to flip it over and put it in the very end of the other side and arc it. Okay, so now you have these two arcs, but more important, we've created these two intersections. Now all we have to do is connect from one point, and my trick is I put my pencil right on the first intersection, put my triangle next to it, and I kind of pivot it until it will go through the second intersection. And there we have a 90-degree angle. Let's try that one more time. So we're going to arc it. Okay. Find the intersection, place our triangle up against that, and there you go. Now you have four 90-degree angles. Okay, you're going to use your lettering guide, create 1/8 inch lettering in this corner, and letter your first and last name, then turn it in. Let's give this a try.